creation time. Loom.
Start with the warp lines.
Stopper knot. Across, behind, across, behind. Weave. Using this pen. Over, next line, under, next line. Over, next line, under, next line. And pulling through at the edges. As you maintain this pattern, you will notice that it seems to gather in the center. And I always have to push it down every so often. Weaving back and forth, I start reaching towards the other side of this loom. And it becomes more difficult, and I have to push it down to maintain some tension. So this pen is helping quite a bit with it. Allows me to weave back and forth while I connect it with the warp lines. What can you do with it now? Now it's ready to go.
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.